Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the stream. So today, if you saw the title of this stream, I will be making an item that was requested by one of my comments, and it was pretty interesting. They wanted, I think it was a pair of black gloves that kind of like Wolverine-like, what would be spikes, whatever. But so yes, I'm going to be making that. So, guys, I'm going to pull up the comment real quick, just so I can... Okay, here we go. Alright, so, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Alright, so, first of all, everything needs a model. Where else can I model? Well, Blockbench. So I'm going to open up this. So here we go. Oh, well, what's this? Oh, that's useful right there. Okay. Anyways, close that. All right. So, let me pull up the workspace real quick. So this is MCreator version 2024.4. This is one that I can use like 1.20.1 Forge mods with. So I do have some tutorials that do involve that version, if you guys want to know. So let's go ahead and create new workspace, shall we? So Forge, there we go. All right, hang on. Is this the same version I'm thinking of? Okay, I'm pretty sure it is. All right, mod display name, YouTube, Wolverine, Dagger, template. I don't know, something like that. Create a new workspace. Here we go. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this, guys, shall we? All right, so now we just need to wait. Oh, yep, it is 2024.4. If you guys want to know that version. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and wait for it to set up. Anytime now. Okay. All right, so and today, since last stream I did, I was playing some game and I wasn't able to see the comment that someone else left that was on YouTube, so I found a way to have a multi-stream thing. Okay, so what happened? Okay, it failed. Rerun. I feel like that happened before. It's not good. I mean, it's not. Preferably, don't want that to happen. Okay. Setting up Gradle project. So now we just need to wait. Well, this is I guess it could have made the workspace beforehand. But alas, I have to wait. And hopefully it won't crash. I don't want it to crash. That would, well, not be. Preferably don't want that to happen. But all we can do is wait. Alright, oh, there we go. It's on a new one. This time will be different. This time, we will be able to, well, get started. Okay, this is taking a little longer than I expected. No, I didn't mean to open up Photoshop. Cancel. Close window. No, really? There we go. There we go. It crashed. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. Okay, anyways. Workspace open. So now that we got this open, we need to, I'm going to go ahead and load up everything. So external APIs, this, and let me see what the comment wanted. Okay, so left click, the left fish would punch and all that. So I kind of imagine what I can do is have the player also maybe animate, but I'm going to do that. Just make it more, I guess, good looking? I don't know. Save changes. Yes, refactor workspace. All right, so now while that's working in the background, I'm going to go ahead and open up Blockbench. And wait, why do I have two Gecko animated models? Is this the better one? Hang on, what's the difference? Okay, so this one just immediately opens up to this. I'm guessing this is not the one I want to do. So I want to do this one. I don't know why I have two of those. I guess it glitched out. So, all right. Anyways, getting sidetracked. What we want to do is create an item. And let me scoot up. Okay. So we need to create an item. Project name. Wolverine Daggers. I'm just going to name it like that. Object ID. Yes. All right. So mod ID. Wolverine Daggers. Copy and paste that. Per face. Yes, I want to do that. Texture size. I'm going to do 32 so it can be more detailed. All right, and then is this still, golly, it's still refactoring. I didn't know it takes that long. Okay, while we're waiting, let's go and work on this. So, comment wants it to be a pair of black gloves with Wolverine-like daggers on the ends. Not curved, but straight, and medium size. So when I left-click, the left fist would punch, and when I right-click, the right fist would punch. I made this myself, but it keeps turning invisible, all right, so, all right, we got this. We got the core idea of what do we want. So, what we can do is, I actually have an idea. Hang on, discard that. I want to see if I can have, like, a player as a base. I just need the arms, so file, where is it? Convert, I'm looking for, here it is. Convert to this one. Project, yes. Item, Wolverine Daggers, and then mod ID, paste that in 64 bits. I don't know the difference. Okay. All right. We don't need you. We don't need the body. We don't need the legs. We don't need the other leg either. Now we just have the arms. So I'm going to delete this texture real quick. And then, so we need to make the model. So this is actually a good start for here. All right, so left arm, we don't need the layer on. That's useless. So left arm plus. So I can do group. So this will be the glove. This is going to be the main thing that's, well, starts it off, I guess. Hang on, why is it? Oh, I forgot to do the anchor. Do I need to do the anchor? Really? Oh, here you go. Okay, so, oh yeah, there we go. All right, I imagine gloves like, whenever I imagine the gloves, like black gloves, I imagine, let me find a perfect image of what I think. I imagine something like these. Heavy's gloves from Team Fortress 2. That's what I imagine. So, except obviously, more creative liberty or whatever, But some along the lines of that. So, yoink, there we go. And luckily, since it's glove and it wraps around the entire hand, I just need to do this. So, there we go. Glove done. Well, I mean, mostly. Let's make sure everything looks nice. What? Oh, there we go. What am I doing? Golly. Okay, there we go. Done with that. So now what we can go ahead and move on to is adding the other part. So I imagine, oh yeah, hang on, I can duplicate, drag this over here. Is that right? Okay, yeah. Scale this up. So now it kind of like the hand, or like what would be the thumb is like kind of free. Okay, hang on. I need to see like glove. We're fighting glove. Okay, so it'd be, yeah, it'd be somewhat like this. Hey, what would it look like if I scale it a little more like this? Oh yeah, that looks pretty kind of better. All right, this is the base of the glove. This is what starts it all. And then right here, there would be like 3 daggers in between. But first, before most, I need to duplicate the glove, paste, drag it over to the right arm. Also, hang on, we don't need the waist. I forgot, let me get rid of that. There we go. All right. Left arm, wait, what, did it bring the entire... Okay, I'm confused. Yes, I don't have it in there. Okay, there we go. Now I can get rid of the waist. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to rename the left arm glove to L glove. This arm to R glove. Let's see, how do these look? Yes, pretty good. All right, then rotate it 180 degrees and recenter it. Because it's not going to be, it would look weird if it wasn't. And there we go. We got the same idea of glove. Oh, I actually have a better idea yet. Then before doing that, I'm going to just make this glove. And then I'm going to paste it over to the right arm. You know, because it would make it way easier to make, I guess. I don't know. So I can go ahead and start working on the little daggers. I don't know if he wants it, like, the daggers, like, retractable. I'm just going to guess no. I'm just going to, like, have it as, like, default. It's just, like, attached to it, so I'm just going to think of that. That's what I think of, so... And he says medium size, so I imagine some... Oh, hang on, let me first make a group. Put in here. There we go. And then the daggers... Hang on, are daggers. Or no, sorry, left. Hello. Welcome to the stream, Next Prime. I'm talking alone. Oh, man. Hello there. Oh, hang on. There we go. Okay, so... How is one of my viewers doing? Alright. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is so one of the comments I made on a video, how to make an item with animated player arms, they asked, like, could I make this idea for them. It's what it is like they were asking me to make like a pair of black gloves with like Wolverine-like daggers on the end, not curved but like straight and like medium sized. And when I left click, the left fist would punch, and then where I right click, the right fist would punch. So I'm gonna make that for him so I can. Well, I'll do that for him. So that's what I'm currently doing. And right now I'm just trying to make the model of it. So let's see, move up here. All right. Move the pivot point upwards. And I'm going to center it. Well, I can't. That's fine. It's not going to be moving anywhere, so. Alright, so let me move this upwards. It's going to be in 3 parts. What's wrong? I seem to notice this. I can't make it sharp. Oh, you made games? That's cool. So um tomorrow I do games. So if you come back, you could send me a link to one, and I can You said like okay. What do you mean? Here you go. Yeah, I think it would be cool to try out your game. I would love to try out a game that you would make. Alright, how's this? Oh yeah, there we go. Ah. Yeah, so tomorrow I would love to try out the game that you make. So is it like oh, yeah. So what's it on? What's your game on? Yes, well, but unfortunately it's like my personal account, so I can't really, I mean, I don't know if I'd be able to like, maybe somehow get like a YouTube one, but yeah, unfortunately I won't. I only accept like people that I'm friends with, you know. But yes, I can't do that. I'm sorry about that. But what? All right, there we go. Done with that. All right, seed one. Oh, all right. Oh, that's why. All right. All right, so I'll try out the demo. That'd be cool. I think it'd be pretty fun. All right, there we go. I'm done with this dagger. There we go. So now I can go ahead and paste it. Yoink. There we go. Our glove. And there we go. So let me go. All right. There we go. Okay, so what I will be doing next is moving this to the right arm, because I made a second version. Oh wait, quick question about the game. So what's the name of it? All right, there we go. Called Test 2.5. No, it's fine. It's fine. Perfectly fine about like the incomplete message. Happens to me a lot. Trust me. But as a mini virus, but had a mini virus and was completely safe and controllable because the engine I can't use can't handle viruses. Only visual bugs. So after that, remove the virus. So what's your game about? Yoink. Ah, here we go. Alright, so now I can texture paint. Interesting. Yeah. Well, it's cool that you're making a game out of the way. Even if you don't like the idea you're doing, I think it's cool that about making games. There's something fun about doing it. Well, I guess also depending on what you're making though. But it's pretty cool if you're making a game. So which engine do you use? Is it like a custom made one, or is it like something like Unity or like Unreal Engine? All right. Brush. Oh yeah, I've heard of that. Yeah, I don't know how hard it is to use that, but yeah, I've heard of that. I'm pretty sure it's easy to use. I don't like I said just now, but I don't know exactly how to use it, but one thing I will say, good luck on making it. Go. Oh yeah, Ultra Kill. Yeah. Yeah, I've heard of that game. I've never played that before. It looks cool. But yeah, from what I've seen of it, it looks fun. Well, hopefully that game also goes well. Whatever happens, just know that I believe in you. If something bad happens or whatever, you can't make 3D games with it. Oh yeah, yeah. Game Maker's like a 2D or like pixel art or pixel style game, whatever you would call it. Yeah. Well, I wonder if people have made like tried making 3D games with it. That'd be interesting. I bet it would be pretty hard. Like, let's see. Oh, the block based thing. Yeah, I guess depending on what kind of thing the like maybe block based thing would be, it'd be kind of hard. So what is there like a writing language that you would have to do on it? Like not have to, but I mean like is there like a way to like write code for it, or is it like just block making or like block based or whatever you call it? Hmm. Wait, so are you able to like are you able to translate what I'm saying, or is there a way like I could somehow speak Portuguese? Mm, Yeah, I don't remember if. All right, let's see. Oh, hang on. I can't see what. Is this not? Hang on. Why is it not working? Oh, I'm using the color picker. Oops. Portuguese. Let's see. I wonder if English to Portuguese. Huh. So quick question: are you learning English? I'm just curious. There we go. There we go. Uh, yeah. Well, good luck on learning English, by the way. I don't know necessarily how difficult it'd be trying to learn English if it's not your native one, but well, just wishing you good luck on it. So, oh, you're a composer? That's cool. Yeah, yeah, man. What was something cool about that too? I'm also one. Like, I try making music as well. There we go. All right. Oop, yeah. Yeah, just wishing good luck. I hope that um hopefully there won't be too many bugs or complicated ones. Cause trust me, it's sometimes annoying to deal with that stuff too. Sure. I would love to test out your game. I think it's cool you're working on a game. I was working on one a while back. Um, but the problem is that I had a virus on my computer that I don't know how exactly it ended up there, but then I ended up losing a lot of stuff, so I have to kind of remake most of that game. But hopefully, nothing bad happens to your game. Just alright. All right. There's behind comm room. Okay, that's where the virus is located. If you click it, screen starts shaking, becomes one pixel in size. Huh, that's weird. That is pretty strange. I don't know exactly what could be causing that, but do you have like some sort of antivirus? Like if it's not originating because of the game, like code or whatever, is it like some on your computer that's making it do that? Hmm. Yeah. Do you by chance know what might be causing the virus? All right. Well, either way, I think it'd be cool to try out your game. All right, there we go. I'm done with the models. Cool. So it's just blank pixel game. Well, it's fine that you don't have a name for it. Trust me, it's. I guess it really just depends. Um, Making a name just takes time to come up with the name. I guess that happens for me whenever I made games a while back. There we go. Save this. Here it is. Can I see? See what? Oh, well, I don't see the link to the game. I wonder if YouTube blocked it. Let's see. And we'll find out if maybe YouTube is blocking it from showing. Alright, try now. Yeah, try sending the link one more time. I just changed the setting. Unless it's not just for that. Hang on. Oh, I see. Yeah, so it doesn't show it doesn't show like a link to like download it on if it's on a live stream. So maybe after the stream you could try sending it on like the comments on the video after the stream. Cuz the YouTube settings show that live links sent to a live stream will just automatically be blocked. So try sending it to me after the live stream, and then it might work. What's your idea? Export. Armor. All right, let's try that. See, all right, so I am on your channel now, so I can wait. Hang on, let me copy this. There we go. All right, let's see. Oh, I see it. All right, I found it. Is this it? All right, so let's try this out. Luckily, I did finish the model just in time, so I can try it out. Sure, of course. All right, let's see this awesome game. I've never played a game maker made game before. All right, Run. Oh, that's cool. You got the menu. Oh, that's cool. Oh, hang on, it went black. Oh, there we go. Man, that's cool. Oh, that's neat. Ooh. There we go. See. Space. Alright, I'm here. Hang on. Let me pull everything. Oh, hang on. Everything just closed. Oops. Alright, hang on. Let me see if I can go back here. There we go. Alright. I have it like this. Alright, so I'm going to pull up. Alright, hang on. Let me do this. Oh. Still here. Change the language. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Alright. Okay, so now I can see. Thank you. Yeah, I see. Oh, there's like a save option too. So start. Space. Huh. Alright, let's see. Save. See, you can save. That's neat. How long did it take you to make this? Alright. Woo. No. Oh no, I keep hitting the balls. Ah. Oh. Start. That's pretty cool what we got so far. No. Oh, come on. There we go. Nope, I just hit the ball anyways. Ooh, that was close. No. That's pretty fun. I like the concept. Whoa. Let's see if I can. Uh-oh. Oh, I guess I just died. No. Oh, come on. Alright, so I need to wait for the right moment. Oh, I see. Oh yeah, you're right. So yeah, my character was the square was white, and then then I just died. So I need to make sure I don't have white. No. Uh-oh. Whoa, that was close. Whoa. Yeah, that was golly. Oh no. Ah. It's pretty fun. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, I just ran right into it. Alright, let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I just keep getting hit. Oh no. It's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, so it was faster? Yeah. Hmm. Let's see. So right now it's on the first one. And then after a while it might change into... Oh. And then now it's on phase 2. Let's see. Let's avoid that. Oh, I have less than 50 HP. No! Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, real quickly, I'm gonna see if I can, before the stream ends, see if I can real quickly export this into MCreator. So, let's see, I'm guessing this is just the body? Huh. Okay. Let's see, so, import, and I guess the texture doesn't work. Okay. So I need to retexture that. Let me... Alright, so Wolverine. Yeah, it's pretty fun. I like the concept of the game. Alright, there you go. Save. Alright, there you go. Alright, let's see. So, now I need to go ahead and... Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, it's pretty cool what you did there. Honestly, you'd probably get that's probably best, like, I'd probably do not good compared to what you did. So was that made using the block coding? Yoink. There you go. I just realized I can do mirror painting. That did not do anything. That didn't work. So I guess I'm going to have to do everything manually. Alright. This side. I kind of have a little darker. Oh, a little lighter. There you go. Alright, so now I can go ahead and move on to here. Alright. Okay, now we move on this side, and then I'll save it, and then, unfortunately, I'll have to call the stream off, because I only have so much time. I'm going to be... Alright. Well, cool. Good luck. Alright, let's see. Got that. Now I just need to move on to the daggers. Paintbrush. There you go. Alright. Now it's time to color. Alright, there we go. Got that. And move on to this side. Alright. There we go. Go here. Alright, do this, and then now I can move on to the final part. Coloring these things. Okay. There we go. Alright, I finished the model. So I can save that. Export Gecko model. Save. Now I can go ahead and import it. So let's see. Animated armor, I guess. Wolverine-like. There's no helmet, just that. Alright, I'm going to see if I can. There. Color this a little lighter. Mm. Hang on, there might be a... No, there's not. You kidding me? Yeah. There we go. That does not look good. Alright, I need some inspiration. Inspiration I need. There we go. Perfect. Before. Add some shadows. Yeah, right now I am trying to get the base of it. I am using this inspiration, this boxing glove. I don't know, it looks pretty good. Alright, that. Alright, so it just needs... Yoink. And... yoink. Alright, so now I can go ahead and color the base. Ah, that's what I was missing. Looks alright. And then we could add some skin color, I guess. And then add, like what you said, shadows. But I just need to figure out how to add the shadows. Alright, and then we have this, maybe. Seems a little too dark. That looks okay. Alright, so now I can go ahead and add the rest of the... There you go. Save. Enter name. Wolverine glove. Dagger gloves. Not as a blog. You kidding me? Wolverine dagger gloves for item. Not the other thing. Item. Not a block. Resources. And get rid of this one. Now I can go back here. Use that. Alright, there you go. Gekolib. Import Gekolib model. And then find Z glove models. Wolverine dagger. Upload this. Animation. Ooh, I need animation. I just realized I need to get that. Add animation. Just nothing. There's not going to be any animation. I didn't forget about that. Moral of the story. So let's see. Wolverine dagger gloves animation. Save all. Now I can import it. Import that. Import this. Reload this item model. It's not working. Oh, Gekolib model. Here we go. Armor texture. Oh yeah, I need to import the textures. Resources. Import texture. Would it be entity texture or armor texture? I want to try entity texture. Oh, so it is for item. Replace. No, not replace. Delete. And then import texture, item texture. Yeah, let's try this one. There you go. Idle animation name. Nothing. Alright, so do that, and then we're good to go. Let's test this out and see if it looks well, and it actually mainly just works. And then I will have to unfortunately end the stream because it's been a while. I've been recording for a while. Okay. Alright. Oh, Minecraft's not. Oh, no, it is. It is. I just can't see. Alright. Alright, here we go. Will this work? Create new. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Is it here? Or, like, is it... Does it work? Does it work? Oh, my headphones are low. Oops. Alright, give. Add some less. Moment of truth, everybody. They work. Sorta. Well, my character makes them look weird. It doesn't work because of my character. But, I mean, they work. They work, pretty much. They work. Looks good. Not bad. If I do say so myself. Okay, so... But it doesn't show anything here. But we will cover that next week. See you guys in the next one. I will live stream tomorrow. And just just hanging out or whatever. So, see you guys in the next one.